My name is Meg. I'm a local guides program manager. I am from Miami, but I'm based in New York, and just wanted to say so sorry for everyone that's not here. We really miss you. We know that there's a few of you who couldn't get a visa, and that's something that we wish wasn't the case. But we wish you were here. Muhabbab has been telling us so many great things about you, and thank you so much for your participation in local guides. And also, we heard that you have already completed 96 meetups, which is crazy. That's a super crazy number, and we're very, very excited, and we cannot wait to hear when you hit the big 100 number. So thank you so much for all of your hard work and for all of your time and dedication to the Local Guides program and to Google Maps. I can't speak. And keep up the great job. Thank you.
Hi Bangladesh Local Guides. My name is Brittany. I'm here in San Francisco at Connect Live 2018. Thank you for everything that you do to put on Google Maps. Thank you for all your meetups, all your cleanups, all your accessibility walks, all your photo walks. We love you guys. We wish that everyone was here. We're sending all of our love to Bangladesh.
Thank you, local guys in Bangladesh. We miss you.